This here is our mock CVS pharmacy. So it's set up just like a pharmacy would be in a community setting. All of our medications back here are medications that you would commonly see in pharmacies across the United States. We also have our prescriptions right here. So these are prescriptions that are waiting to be picked up. You, as the pharmacy student, are often playing the role as the pharmacist, and a patient will bring a prescription in for you. You have to look at this prescription, and you have to know whether it's the right strength, the right dose, and then if there's any problems, you, as the pharmacy student, will call the doctor. Oftentimes, it's one of our professors, and they're playing the role of the doctor on the other end of the phone. Another thing that we do in here is we practice counseling patients. So, for example, one of our prescriptions that are already ready, for example, this one here, our patient will come in with their prescription for a new prescription, and we as the pharmacist need to make sure that we're relaying all of the important information. So, for example, this patient is going to come in for some ibuprofen. So I, as a pharmacist, need to make sure that I ask the patient, do you know what this is? How did the doctor tell you to take it? And then I also need to make sure I'm communicating any side effects that the patient might experience from taking this medication. This setting is a great place to practice some of those skills that we'll be using in a community pharmacy, like I said, on your IPPEs and your APPEs. So once you're doing all of those rotations, you'll need the skills that you learn here to go out and be a good pharmacist. Just like in our simulation lab downstairs, we also have our owls, so you will be recorded during these sessions. And it's the same thing where you go back and you watch what you did, and the professors will give you feedback on what you did well, and then some things that could be improved on to make sure that you're going to be the best pharmacist that you can be.